Hi children, good morning. How are you? Doing good? Great. Now here I'm back with another session for you children. Please open your term books, Choral Primary Term 2. So today discussing about the topic EVS. Okay, in EVS we completed fruits, flowers and vegetables. Now let us go to the topic vehicles. Please open your term books at page number 4747. What is it? In the page number 4747. Yes. Here comes. Let us see what's given. Vehicles. Sort the given vehicles into a correct column. What is a vehicle? A motorbike is a vehicle. Yes. Auto rickshaw, car, bike, bicycle, ship, aeroplane. These are all vehicles. మనం దేంట్లో అయితే ట్రావెల్ చేస్తామో ఫ్రమ్ వన్ ప్లేస్ టు అనదర్ ప్లేస్, ఒక ప్లేస్ నుంచి ఇంకొక ప్లేస్ కి దేంట్లో ట్రావెల్ చేస్తామో దాన్ని మనం వెహికల్ అంటాం. సో in this clue box they have given some clues children. You have to understand the clues and you have to write in this boxes. This is a home task. Let us see what they have given. Read children, read this clue box. First one is aeroplane. What is this? First one is a aeroplane, right? What is this? Next one, bicycle. Read along with the spellings. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. S-H-I-P, ship. C-A-R, car. S-C-O-O-T-E-R, scooter. H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter. B-O-A-T, boat. You know about all these vehicles, no? In your early class only you know about this vehicles. So road vehicles, air vehicles, water vehicles. Deentlo road meeda velle vehicles enti? What are the vehicles go on a road? You have to write here. Air vehicles. What are the vehicles go in an air? You have to write here. And water vehicles. What are the vehicles go in a water? You have to write here. For example, I write only from them. Let us see. Road, aeroplane. Where does aeroplane go? In an air vehicle. Write the spelling aeroplane here. Pick your pencils. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Next, bicycle. Bicycle will be going on a roads. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. The next one, ship. Ship doesn't go on a road. It doesn't fly on an air. It is a water vehicle. S-H-I-P, ship. Ship. I'm ticking all. Em raskunnano anni tick chesukovali. Car. Car goes on a road. C-A-R, car. Next, scooter. Scooter also goes on a road. S-C-O-O-T-E-R, scooter. The next one, helicopter. Helicopter goes in the air. H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter. The last one is boat. Boat is a boat goes on a water. B-O-A-T, boat. See children, there are many pendings here. 1, 2, 3 more road vehicles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more air vehicles. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more water vehicles. You have to search. You can ask your parents, your brothers, sisters, and complete this page. Like you can write a lorry, a bus, and an air vehicles. You can write a jet plane, a rocket, a satellites. You don't know the spellings, you can ask your elders and you can write. A water vehicles, you can write yacht. Like that, you can fill this complete page. Right? Let us turn the page and see what's there. Yes, here the types of vehicles are there. Slow vehicles, fast vehicles, very fast vehicles. Based upon the time, in the time lo veltai. Road mida or air or water. Based upon the landform, we choose this, but deentlo enta fast ga veltai anna dani meeda. Now let's see. Slow ga velle vehicles evi. What are the slow vehicles, children? You have to learn with the spellings, okay? Rickshaw. Rickshaw is a slow vehicle. Horse cart. R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W. Rickshaw is the slow vehicle. H-O-R-S-E, horse cart. Gurram Bandi is a slow vehicle. Bicycle, B-I, by C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. These are vehicles which go slowly, not very fast. Fast vehicles, ship, S-H-I-P, ship. B-U-S, bus. T-R-A-I-N, train. And also car is there, metro is there. These are also fast vehicles. Yes, they goes faster, no? Bus goes fast than a bicycle, isn't it? So these are fast vehicles, and very fast vehicles are helicopter, 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 Aeroplane, aeroplane. And also the rocket is also a fast one. A boat, which we saw in the previous page, boat is a slow vehicle. See children, it might be in water, air, land, whatever it might be, just slow, fast and very fast are the sections here. Leave about that water, air and land. That water, air and land is only up to page number 47. And page number 48, discussing about slow, fast, and very fast. Hope you understood. Right. Let us have an activity session in page number 49. Write F for fast vehicles and yes for slow vehicles. Very easy task, children. Pick your pencils. Aeroplane. Yes, it is a fast, very fast. Now let us write VF. Very fast. Ship. It is a fast vehicle. We just learned now. Helicopter. Yes, very fast. We are writing VF. V for very, F for fast. Bus. What is this? Yes, it is a bus. Bus is a fast vehicle. What is this, children? Just now we learned it. Yes, it is a rickshaw. Rickshaw is a slow vehicle. One person has to ride it. It is a slow vehicle. This is a bullock cart. It is a, of course, we learned a horse cart, but it is a bullock cart. It is also a slow vehicle. See how fastly it has completed. Have you written it? Very good. So we have finally completed this session also, right? So what are your home tasks, children, today? You have to complete the page number 47. You can take the help of your brother, sister, mother or father, anyone, and complete the page number 47. And also learn the spellings and the concept in page number 48. Now itself you completed the activity in page number 49. Very interesting. Now, vehicles are a very interesting topic for you. Hope you really enjoyed the session, children. Right? Okay. Keep smiling, children. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children. Bye-bye. See you in the next class. No cheating. Have to do the homework. Bye, children.